Hi everybody. There's a lot of difference between handwriting and calligraphy. When you're writing something on a piece of paper, you need to have a flow. Your creativity should not be disturbed. You cannot get distracted from your content or answers. That's why choose cursive handwriting or non-cursive handwriting wisely. Do not write artistic fonts like Chancery, Lucid or italics. In the past 7-8 years, I've been observing students writing very artistic fonts for their regular handwriting. They look so attractive, no doubt about that. But they take off your creativity. They consume a lot of time and it strains your hand. You can use calligraphy. You can use fonts like italics, Lucida, Chancery to make a project work, to design an invitation card, to make a greeting card for your family members, friends. But please don't use them for your regular handwriting. Since ages we have been writing in cursive and non-cursive handwriting, and that's widely accepted. And coming to the boards, no state board, no CBSE, no ICSE recommends you to write in particular style, or they don't oppose a particular style. What all they need is a legible hand. As long as our students are writing legible, clear, crystal clear handwriting, that's fine. Even cursive, non-cursive handwriting, you don't have to make it so artistic. We shouldn't trouble the students. Handwriting should have a wonderful flow so that the creativity is not disturbed, so that the hands are not strained, so that they can focus on what they're writing. The content is given a lot of importance. The answer is given a lot of importance. So better to avoid using fonts in a regular handwriting. Fonts are to be printed and they are not to be handwritten for a regular purposes. Let's write responsibly.